to be. Through every challenge and every test, we rise to claim our destiny.